What exactly is going on here?
So basically today we're protesting In-N-Out Burger because we're trying to get them to be transparent with where they get their beef. They said that they don't have Harris Ranch as a supplier, and we're contacting In-N-Out and asking them over and over again, where are you getting your products from? And as far as we know, they still get their animal flesh from Harris Ranch, which is notoriously inhumane and carries out unethical practices against the animals as far as the way they kill them, the way they keep them, and it's extremely abusive to the animals. And In-N-Out isn't being transparent about how they get their beef.
Okay, so my next question, and I'm just asking questions for the viewers, and I'm pretty sure this is one question that a lot of people want to know. You guys want In-N-Out to just stop serving like beef all at once, or just or get beef from better suppliers? Like,
I mean,
more?
Ideally, I personally would love them just to stop existing and carry only plant-based burgers. But what we're trying to do is hold them accountable to what they say they are, which is transparent with their customers. And that's where they get their beef. And we want their customers to know that they are getting their beef from places that keep these cows in such inhumane conditions. But for now, I think it's more about holding them accountable for their actions. And hopefully, you know, they claim that they get their meat from humane, ethical sources.
Oh, I understand.
Right.
They're basically lying.
They're lying,
that
yes.
It's humane sources, but then they don't say the sources.
Right. And they won't tell us. Like, we've called them, we've gone inside there and asked them, and they refuse to answer.
And it kind of makes sense why they won't, because it's from humane sources.
Right. And they're still buying their beef from Harris Ranch, which is really awful for the animals and for the environment and for their employees. They exploit their workers really badly.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, thanks. I just want to get a thanks.
You're welcome.
You know, a question from you. So yeah, it looks like a normal day out here.
Except for, yeah, a lot of masks. If you look on the other side too. Mostly wear a mask.
Yeah, I see a lot of people with masks on.
I think the protest started already. You hear it?
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, I can hear people talking.
Okay, cool. Look at this. Looks like your favorite, babe. Looks like a protest, babe.
Yeah, no more factory farms.
Oh, sorry.
We're not going to let you know where we supply from. Okay? We want you kept in the dark. We just want your money. We don't care about people. We don't care about pandemics.
All right. Here we have it.
PTSD in the slaughterhouses, okay? Just pay for it. It tastes good.
So guys, I want to know what you guys have to say about everything in the comments down below.
Thank you so much.
Definitely put things in the comments. Either way, I don't care what you say, just put them in the comments. So let's go over and let's go explore.
Really appreciate it. Thank you all so much. Take care.
You going across the street then?
Well, gotta admit, for myself and maybe even some of us here, it might feel a little weird being here. I remember growing up in Los Angeles, and if you're from Los Angeles...
I'm curious, what do you think about all this going on? What do you think about all this going on?
I know you.
You know me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in on the joke. And often that place is gorgeous place to go.
Oh, I thought you worked there.
No, I don't.
I was...
No, yeah, I was just in there giving a speak out, talking about how shitty that place is. What's your name again?
Jermaine. That's
I know
so
I can
funny.
never in good conscience
So
support this place again. And it's because of the stories that my friends soon are going to tell you.
No, man.
So the question I want to ask here is, as you hear the allegations that are being made against In-N-Out, as you hear the stories of fully conscious cows being held up, fully conscious by their legs and having their throats slit and having the blood come out of their bodies and their life leaving them, as you hear stories of mother cows being forcibly impregnated and having their children ripped away from them in their own place, all you have here is a few people with some yellow signs and a microphone. How do you know that you're telling the truth, right? How do you know that these things are true? The flip question I want to ask is, how do you know that In-N-Out isn't fighting these things? How do you know that the statements In-N-Out makes about their suppliers, about their supply chains, have any semblance of truth? And the thing that we have to remember as we listen to animal cruelty, to labor exploitation, and to the environmental devastation that places like In-N-Out are causing, we have to know that at the end of the day, no matter what they say about their standards and values, at the end of the day, In-N-Out is just like every fast food corporation. They are a profit-maximizing institution that makes hundreds of millions of dollars every year. $500 million go flow through In-N-Out's annual revenue. And they have every single incentive to keep that as high as they can. And they're going to do what it takes. They're going to do things like tell you that they believe in transparency.
Are you familiar with the practices of factory farms and In-N-Out Burger? Were you already outreaching them?
No, I was just. Well, go ahead, do the outreach.
We love In-N-Out. We were workers there before for years. We love it.
I mean, we had a great experience working there.
Yeah.
They
You know,
really did treat us fantastic.
That's good that they treat the employees well.
Yeah.
It's
I mean,
just, they don't treat the animals well.
yeah, I mean, yeah, there's a lot to be said about that. But yeah, I didn't even know this was a thing.
The farms that they buy their meat from is just especially inhumane, and you can't support that.
I do feel real bad for them. I wish if I had the strength to be a vegan, I would. I just don't have it in me. So I'm like both ways, man. I wish it can. It's hard, dude. It's super hard.
Okay. So you say it's hard to be vegan. Now, why do you think it's hard to be vegan? Because it's hard to find vegan food, and then also the family situation too.
I grew up eating meat and stuff like that. You know, so it's hard for me to transition to that. But I do feel at the same time for the animals, you know, the way they're mistreated, and it sucks. It does suck. It sucks a lot. I'm for it. You know, this doesn't bother me. Like honestly, if it helps the animals, hey, I'm all for it.
I mean, there are alternatives nowadays. Have you ever heard of Beyond Meat?
No.
So Beyond Meat is it's this meat made from pea protein. It's really good. It's like I love it. Like,
I heard
it's amazing.
It tastes the same almost.
Yeah, it has a very meaty taste, and you can cook it just like normal meat. And a lot of people believe the future is going that way.
Yeah, and I hope so. That'd be awesome, man.
Yeah.
I know my daughter, she eats a lot less meat than us. She'll eat a lot of salads and stuff like that, and for the same cause, you know what I mean? Yeah, she feels for the animals.
Okay, wow, that's awesome.
Animals want to be with their families. It's on you.
Yeah, you know, just like animal bodies in general.
on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like the anti-free speech stuff is by far the most bizarre.
Yeah.
Like I literally.
Hey, you.
Hi. Hi.